Hi guys, I'm Aditya Jiva George. Welcome back to my channel Aditya's Maths Vlog. If you're first time seeing my channel, just subscribe my channel and smash the like button. So we can head to the video. Today I am taking the continuation of class 3's chapter 2 addition word problems. We can do this word problem. Ram and Dev got pocket money from their grandparents. Ram got rupees 2498 and Dev got rupees 3275. Find the total amount they got together. When it is told find the total amount got together, we have to add these both numbers. That Ram got 2498 rupees and Dev got 3275 rupees. So we have to add this to find the total amount they got. First step is amount of money Ram got. The amount of money Ram got was rupees 2498. Second step is amount of money Dev got. The amount of money Dev got was rupees 3275. So to get the total amount of money they both got, we have to add these both. So the total amount of money they got is equal to 2498 plus 3275. We can do this addition here. Here in the ones place 8 is greater. Take 8 in your mind and 5 in your hand. After 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. When a two-digit number comes, we have to write the number here and add tens and ones. In the ones place it is 3, so write 3 here and 1 as a carryover. 1 plus 9 it is equal to 10. 10 plus 7 is 10 in your mind, 7 in your hand. After 10 it is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So write 17 aside and in the ones place it is 7, write 7 and 1 is carryover. 1 plus 4 it is 5 and take 5 in your mind and 2 in your hand. After 5 it is 6 and 7. Here there is no carryover, so we have to do it directly. 2 plus 3. Take 3 in your mind, 2 in your hand. After 3 it is 4, 5. So the answer is equal to rupees 5773. That is 5773. Now we can do one more problem. A farmer grew 1879 pumpkins last year. This year he grew 762 pumpkins more. How many pumpkins did he grow this year? So the farmer grew 1879 pumpkins last year and this year he grew more 762 pumpkins. So we have to find how much pumpkins he grew this year. Now we can solve the problem. Number of pumpkins he grew last year. Last year he grew 1879 pumpkins. Number of pumpkins he grew more. He grew more 762 pumpkins. So the total number of pumpkins they grew is, we have to add these both numbers. That are 1879 plus 762. We can do the addition down here. As there is no number as this is a 3-digit number, we have to write only in these 3 places, not in the thousands place, because there is no number here in the thousands place. So we can add it. 2 plus 9. Take 2 plus 9. We can take 9 in our mind, 2 in your hand. After 9 it is 10, 11. So a 2-digit number is coming. Write it here. Tens and ones. In the ones place it is 1. In the tens place it is 1, so it is a carryover here. 1 plus 7 it is equal to 8. 8 in your mind, 6 in your hand. After 8 it is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So write 14 here, and in the ones place it is 4. So write 4 as a carryover. No, 4 down here and 1 as a carryover. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Take 9 in your mind and 7 in your hand. After 9 it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So again a 2-digit number is coming, 16 here. 6 in the ones place, so write 6 here and 1 as a carryover. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And there's no number to be added to 2. So we have to write this 2 down here. So the total number of pumpkins he grew this year is 2641. We can do one more question. A car dealer sold 2634 cars in the year of 2010 and 2458 cars in the year of 2011. How many cars he sold in these 2 years? So the numbers we have to take here, it is this number and this number. These both numbers are not required because it is telling which year it was sold. These two numbers should be added, but these two numbers should not be added. So we can solve it. The first step is like this. Number of cars sold in year 2010. In the year of 2010, the number of cars sold was 2634. Next step, the number of cars sold in 2011. The number of cars sold in 2011 was 2458. So we have to find the total number of cars sold in these 2 years. That is equal to 2634 plus 2458. So we can add it down here. 2634 plus 2458. 4 plus 8 is equal to 8 in your mind, 4 in your hand. After 8 this 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2-digit number is coming, write these tens and ones. In the ones place it is 2. So write 2 here and 1 as a carryover. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 5. 5 in your mind, 4 in your hand. After 5 it is 6, 7, 8, 9. Here, as there is no carryover, we can do it directly. 6 plus 4 is equal to 6 in your mind, 4 in your hand. After 6 it is 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2-digit number is coming right here. In the ones place this is 0. So write 0 here and 1 as a carryover. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 in your mind, 2 in your hand. After 3 it is 4, 5. So the answer, the number of cars he sold in these 2 years is 5092. Thank you all for watching my video. If you are not subscribed my channel, just subscribe my channel and smash the like button. I have given an exercise down in the description. Try to do the exercise, and the part 1 and part 2's link will be given in the description. If you have any doubt, just comment it in the comment box. Thank you.